fried rice with garlics, and then peas, carrots, and what you call this? Flake, eggs, and beef. Flake beef. Ayan. All in one together. No need for viand or ulam. Ayan. Mag-fried rice tayo. Fry ko muna itong bawang. And then, mix ko din ng, ng peas. Ayan, lagay ko rin. And then, I will put also carrots. Cubes of carrots. I put also flake beef. Karni ng baka. Tinanggalan ko yung yung binoil kong 1 kilogram na beef meat na niluto kong beef curry. So ito ihalo ko ito sa fried rice. I will put now also this rice. I cooked yesterday, so I have extra, so better I will make fried rice. And then I will put also some soy sauce. Soya sauce. All in one. Hindi na kailangan ang ulam dito. So, mix also fried egg flake. Rinito ko muna ang itlog tapos flake. So this is good for breakfast. Not only for breakfast, it can be for lunch, for dinner. For breakfast, matching with black coffee or chai or tea or whatsoever. Ayan, ito na yung fried rice and black coffee. Kain tayo ng breakfast. Pwede din lunch, pwede din dinner. Kain tayo. Bismillahi wala barakatillah. Para maiba naman ang breakfast, almusal. Kasi laging paratha. So ito, na-miss ko kasi ang fried rice. So kain tayo with black coffee. Kumain na silang lahat, si Lakay, si Langga, si Pahad, si Fatma. Paratha yung almusal nila with chai, tea. Masarap. 8:30 na akong mag-almusal kasi pinakain ko pa silang ga. Kasi Sunday ngayon, February 11 and yung time dito ay 8:30 AM Pakistan time. Dito ako sa labas almusal kasi maganda ang weather. Hindi pa rin natunaw lahat yung mga snow sa doon sa taas. Kunti na lang. Kunti na lang. Ayan, ubos, simot. Isang mug na black coffee. Kaya sold ang almusal. Alhamdulillah ilazi atama wa sakana wa ja'alna minal muslimin.